So I want to invite Colonel Considine to say a few words and let you know how much we appreciate this partnership. And then we're going to have our friends at Splendid Aviation and Chris Mays say a few words. And then we're gonna get Barrett strapped in and get ready to fly over Flour Bluff ISD. So Colonel Considine, please.
It is really an honor to be here today. And today, I think, will be a very similar day for a lot of these Flour Bluff students. Absolutely a formative event. And I think more importantly, it shows the power of possibility and what can happen when community, industry, and education all come together in pursuit of a common goal. It's truly amazing what we can achieve. And I can tell you from our artisans' perspective, who had the opportunity to advise these students and the students who took in all of this knowledge and built an airplane over the course of 2 years, it was an absolute honor for our artisans to be a part of this. And we're very, very excited about the future because this is just the first airplane, not the last one. So with that, enjoy today. All of you that have an opportunity to fly it, you're going to remember this for the rest of your life. We're not just launching an airplane here today. I think we are truly launching future careers in aviation and in service, and I couldn't be more excited for today and the future partnership that's to come. Thanks, Coach.
Excellent, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm the Chief Flight Instructor for Splendid Aviation and a flight instructor. It's truly exciting for us to be able to work with the high school. Along with our Director of Maintenance here, we've worked together with the high school to build this plane, ensure its airworthiness. They have an amazing teacher, Caleb Harris, who is over at, of course, the school, doing his job and being with the kids. So we want to just say thank you to Flour Bluff for entrusting us and this partnership to do amazing work with you and the kids. And I'm really excited to be able to offer this experience and this opportunity for the high school kids. And hopefully, as this launches, more and more school districts along the coastal bend will come to realize that this opportunity exists, and more children will be able to get access to these opportunities like the kids at Flour Bluff High School have, thanks to their district leadership, Tango Flight, and our military partners.
It was a really good opportunity to be the first maintenance to actually sign off an aircraft that was built by these young students. You know, they put time and effort over years to put this thing together, and they trusted us to get it airworthy. You know, we put a little time into it, took it up for test flights and everything. You know, it's probably the smallest plane I've ever flown in, but I trusted the work they did. You know, I did my checks and balances. We got it FAA airworthy and put it in the sky. So great job, guys.
Yeah.